Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the previous year GATE question number 87. This question is from GATE 2000 examination. Let us read the question. A step down chopper operates from a DC voltage source Vs, feeds a DC motor armature with a back EMF EB. Okay, so here we are having a step down chopper which is feeding to a DC motor. Okay, and the back EMF is EB. From oscilloscope traces, it is found that the current increases for time TR, falls to 0 over time TF, and remains 0 for time T0 in every chopping cycle. Then the average DC voltage across the freewheeling diode is, okay, and they have given the four options, right? So here let us first draw the step down chopper, right? Step down chopper. Yes, we can draw circuit. Supply voltage, it is a Vs volt. In the step down chopper we are having a switch here. Next, here it is a freewheeling diode. Next, inductor, and here we are having the load, DC motor, that is nothing but the RLE load. Okay, RLE. So now, and this is the L, R, L and E load, the EB. This voltage is a V0. Voltage is V0. Okay. Now, if you check, yes, if you check here, or it is, we can directly write this. Here inductor is present. Okay, so directly we can remove it. This inductor. Okay, so we can write directly replace it with a short circuit as well. No problem. So if you check, it is given that from oscilloscope traces, it is found that the current increases. Current is nothing but the current I0. Okay, current I0, right? So here, if we draw the current I0 waveform as per given information, yes, from oscilloscope traces, it is found that the current increases for time TR. So this is TR, current increases. Next, falls to 0 over time TF. Okay, so after TR over time TF, it will be falling to 0. So it is a TR plus TF. So it will falling to the 0. Next, and for time T0 in every chopping cycle and remains 0, and from here to here it will be 0 for T0 time interval, that is nothing but the TR plus TF plus T0. Okay, and after this instant again the same cycle repeats. Okay, so here indirectly current in the circuit is increasing over time TR, after that it decreases, reaches to the 0, and here we are having the 0 value. Means it is like a discontinuous conduction. It is like a discontinuous conduction. The meaning is, yes, here 0 to TR, during 0 to TR, it is like a switch is in a on state, right? Next, yes, our task is to find the voltage across the freewheeling diode. Let us consider the voltage is VD. Okay, voltage across the freewheeling diode is a VD, right? So now we are going to draw the waveform for the voltage across the freewheeling diode. It is a VED. Okay? So freewheeling diode voltage is nothing but the VD. Okay, so voltage across freewheeling diode. Let us consider it as a VED. Okay. So, okay. Next. So here, if you check, 0 to TR current increases. Current increases means inductor go on storing the energy. Okay. So inductor stores the energy means what? The switch should be in the on state. Okay. So when 0 to TR, when the switch is in the on state, it is like freewheeling diode will be in the off state. Okay. So we can write during 0 to TR, during T is equal to 0 to TR. Yes, switch is in a on state. When switch is in a on state, yes, we will be having a circuit like this. It is like We are having a DC supply which is short circuited, diode open circuit, and the load we are having R, L and E. Okay, load is a R, L, E. R, L and R, L and or EB. This voltage is V0, right? And this current is I0. Okay, this voltage is, it is a Vs. Okay, and voltage across diode, the Vd. Okay, so now if you check, yes, when switch is in on state, diode will be in the off state. Okay, current will be flowing from source towards the load, but inductor opposes the sudden change in the current. So that's why the I0 will be increasing slowly, right? So when I0 increases, that is during 0 to TR, when switch is in a on state. What about the Vd? Can we say that Vd is equal to Vs? Yes. So Vd is equal to Vs. Okay. So we'll be having Vd which is equal to Vs volt. So here Vd is equal to Vs volt from 0 to TR. Okay. Next, from TR to TR plus TF, that is nothing but during the interval TF. During the interval TF. Okay. So during interval TF, if you check, switch is in a off state. When switch will be in the off state. When switch will be in the off state, at that time what will happen? Whatever the energy stored by the inductor releases the energy through the freewheeling diode. Okay. So during, we can write during T is equal to, during T is equal to TR to TR plus TF. Okay. Here current is decreasing. The meaning is, yes, switch is open and inductor releases the energy. This voltage is Vd. Current is I0, right? R, L and so when in switch is in a off state, diode will be in the on state. Okay, diode will be in the short circuit. Okay, switch is open, so it is like a supply voltage is not connected to the circuitry. Okay, so it will be like this only. Okay, now if we check when switch is in a off state, okay, inductor starts releasing the energy through the freewheeling diode. At that time, what is Vd? Vd is equal to 0 volt. Okay, so inductor current decreases, and what about the diode voltage? It is equal to 0 volt. So diode voltage is equal to 0 volt from TR to TR plus TF. Okay, after that, for next T0 time interval, next T0 time interval, that is, this is T0. Okay, that is TR plus TF to TR plus TF plus T0. Okay, current is 0 means what? The circuit will be at the rest position, right? Circuit will be at the rest position means, that is during T is equal to TR plus TF to TR plus TF plus T0, right? So during this interval, if you check, yes, circuit will be at the rest position means switch is open. Also diode will be acting as an open switch because inductor has released the energy fully. Okay, so circuit will be like, okay, so it is like this. Diode is open circuit, switch is also open circuit. Okay, R, L and EB. So this is V0 and this is Vd. What about Vd? In this case, if you check, Vd is equal to EB only. Okay, Vd is equal to EB. Circuit will be like this. So Vd will be equal to EB. Right? This is EB. This is Vs. TR plus TF, TR plus TF plus 0. Okay, so this is the waveform for Vd we will be having. Okay, now can we find, yes, they have asked for the average voltage across the freewheeling diode, that is the average value of this term. Okay, yes, it is like 1 upon TR plus TF plus T0, right? Next, integration over 0 to TR Vs plus integration from TR plus TF to TR plus TF plus T0 into EB. Okay, so you can write VD average. Therefore, VD average is equal to 1 upon TR plus TF plus T0 into integration from 0 to TR is a Vs into dt plus integration from TR plus TF to TR plus F plus T. Okay, so during this interval it is a EB into dt, right? Because we are having three intervals, but in that at the middle interval, that is during TF, it is a 0, so integration of 0 will be 0, right? So effectively we will be having only two intervals, so it is like a Vs into TR plus EB, Vs into TR plus EB into T0 upon, yes, TR plus F plus T0, right? This is VD average we will be getting, average value of output voltage, right? So if you check the options, Vs into TR plus EB into TF upon, sorry, EB into T0, right? EB into T0. Vs TR plus EB T0 upon TR plus TF plus T0. So option C is the correct option, right? So this is about the question number 87. In the next video, we are going to discuss the question number 88. Thank you.